Good morning. It is 8 a.m. I just got home from work. Today is a busy summer day in the Midwest, and I have lots to do. So I'll take you guys with me. Back in February, it was the 5-year-old's birthday, and it was snowing, and so we couldn't go anywhere. So we took her for a surprise, and we ended up at the zoo today. I'm so excited. God, he's so sweet. Hello, little baby. Ready? Oh. Where's it going? Who are you helping?
I keep going that way.
Oh.
Sorry, boy. Nature.
Say hello, friend.
Hey, move your hands back up.
Look, he's watching the bug. He wants that bug.
What kind of monkey are they?
They're tamarins.
They're so cute. And the tails are so long.
Oh, hello, baby.
Hello.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird, hello. It's a well-loved hopscotch, isn't it? Good job. Okay, so I went to sleep at 8:40 p.m., woke up at 9:45 p.m. I also slept about half an hour in the car. But we're here, we're at work, we're gonna rally. I have Diet Coke. Everything is going to be okay. Am I having some regrets about not sleeping? I sure am. Is it probably gonna be okay? Probably. Guess we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, and I'll see you on the next time.